morning. It's the next day. It's 15th or 16th? No, it's 16th.
16th. It's Sunday, you
16th
guys.
Feb. And it's a Sunday here in Amsterdam. We're fully covered.
Literally from top to bottom,
Fully.
we are not taking any
कोई
chances
स्कोप
of
ही नहीं
the
बचे यहाँ से हवा जाए
Don't,
यहाँ
don't
से हवा
let the
जाए.
sun fool you. It's
Yes.
-2.
Yeah, it's quite cold.
It's quite cold. It's quite cold.
So what is our plan for today?
So we are probably just going to take a stroll around Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Do a canal tour because that's a basic when you come here. And secondly, Ria is going to be a tour guide for today. So let's see.
Already
Me and
Ria
my little duckling.
for the responsibility.
Ria and her ducklings.
So yeah, canal tour, and we're going for brunch. Some good egg stuff we'll eat, and then we are going to this Moulin Rouge show in the night. Should be fun. पता नहीं मैं vlog कैसे कर पाऊंगी because फट रही है. फोन बाहर निकालना है, फट रही है. Exactly. हर टाइम gloves निकाल के फोन बाहर निकालना पड़ता है, which is a task. It must be like -5. No, I don't know.
It feels like -5.
It feels like -5, but
it's
might be
fine. It's 2.
1ish.
It's fun.
And that's how the mama duckling led all us baby ducklings into the city, because Ria had been here before, so she knew a little bit, and she was just showing us around. This was the city center, which is why it's so crowded. And then we saw the iconic Amsterdam buildings right next to the canal. It honestly looked like it was just out of a postcard.
When you're moving in, you are not able to like get your sofa and bed or whatever. So they literally
Oh,
open
so
the
you
window
transport
and
your
you-
sofa यहाँ से उधर तक and take it in. मैं पतले से स्ट्रीट पे गाड़ी भी आती है. You know you're in Amsterdam when Henneken, everywhere. हमने ऐसे बर्ड्स देखे जो कभी इंडिया में नहीं देखे. So we've decided to eat at this place, a Sunday brunch. Oh, nice and warm.
अंदर ये तो
Such a cute flower. These are real flowers. So cute. The sun is hitting just right.
hitting all the right spots.
Yeah. So while these girls called for an open sandwich which had some really tasty hummus and pesto over it, I had a very interesting dish of scrambled eggs. By vacation पे अंडे खाने का मज़ा ही कुछ और होता है. And वो कैफ़े में ना बहुत ही क्यूट बेकरी आइटम्स भी थे. So we had a very nice brunch. Our bill came to some 49 euros, which is 13 euros per person. Then we checked out the famous coffee shops of Amsterdam. If you know, you know. कॉफ़ी शॉप के कॉफ़ी का मज़ा लेके हम चले हमारे 15,000 स्टेप्स कंप्लीट करने. There's this cute dog over here. How cute. We came to this very very famous cookie shop, but look at the line. मतलब इतनी ये जो दिख रहा है सब ये इधर तक पीछे तक लाइन है. So I think it's a Sunday, which is why. So on some other day we'll come here. हमें वो लाइफ चेंजिंग कुकी नहीं मिली तो क्या हुआ, हमने सोचा स्ट्रूप वॉफल ट्राई करते. For somebody who doesn't know what a stroopwafel is, it's the most famous dessert item of Amsterdam and Netherlands as a whole. And this was quite like a hole in the pocket. काफ़ी महंगा था but काफ़ी tasty भी था. So hey, I can't complain.
Look at these.
How cute. Then we explored this serene area of Begijnhof. Basically, it's the women's religious community that dated back to the 1400 centuries, and we had to keep super quiet because the women actually stayed there. अलग-अलग टाइप की चीज़ें हैं. We just tasted Gouda, organic jaggery, organic truffle cheese. So interesting. And then there's cumin, herbs, chili pepper, organic garlic, and as well as like pesto cheese, beer flavored cheese, coconut cheese. Crazy. cute, fluffy, smelly cat. You will find beautifully decorated bicycles all over the city. It's a thing. We saw this store which had pop art postcards. Honestly, मेरा सब लेने का मन किया. Famous Dutch pancakes. Savory pancake with chicken, pesto, cheese, veggie. Now, finally, we saw something that Netherlands is most known for, the tulips. हम tulip field के season time में तो नहीं गए थे, so obviously we couldn't see that. But at least हमारे boat पे fresh tulips थे. And then we sat inside the boat, got cozy for our boat canal ride.
It's not
क्या
pretty.
पागल
We're sitting
storm
in
हुआ
the canal now.
It's extremely cold. I don't think so.
But you should
This
know.
kind of cold is something that we
क्या
have
होगा तेरे
experienced
गाड़ी का?
before, and we're dying.
And neither do we want to again.
I'm
Last
good
time
with
रहेगा.
Bombay temperatures and 30.
Yeah.
And it's okay if I sweat. I really like sweating over what I'm feeling right now.
बड़ी बड़ी है.
क्या चली गई?
But yeah, we're frozen.
तेरा घर बदल
This is a cruise for
अलग दिख रहा है.
23 euro per person. 20. We got a good deal. There was another cruise for 23.
You
For
alone
1 hour, we catch the sunset hour. Hope to see a good sunset. Amsterdam की एक specialty है that whichever bicycle was abandoned, people took it and decorated it so beautifully, and now it's a cultural part of the city. These buildings were some of the most expensive real estate, which is what the canal guide told us. And this was the spot from where we could see 7 canal bridges all in one row. Beautiful, right? Our canal ride was full of really fun facts, and the narrator was really interesting and funny. This house that you see, the people literally stay here, and we could see their hall, bedroom, etc. This was a famous building that is known for being tilted. How cool. ये था हमारा एरिया जहाँ पे हमारा हॉस्टल था, और ये हमारी बाजू की बिल्डिंग थी. इफ़ यू सी, पीपल आर लिटरली स्विंगिंग ऑन लाइक सम 40th फ्लोर. इतनी ठंडी में, लाइक वी वर शिवरिंग इनसाइड अ बोट. हाउ कुड दे डू दैट? That's how we ended our day with some warm prawn soup. Stay tuned for more such amazing content. All of my Europe vlogs are yet to come. Hope you've already liked, shared and subscribed.